In today's video, we are excited to unbox and review StarryHub, an Android-based smart meeting projector. So, let's begin. Here is everything that is included in the box, including a branded envelope containing the user guide, a power source and cable, a click drop, and the touchboard. User guide helps you understand how StarryHub works. Run StarryHub with zero setup. Connect power source and long press for 3 seconds to turn on. Touchboard serves as a wireless controller for StarryHub. Pair touchboard with StarryHub. Switch easily. CZUR supply bring your own meeting. Pair click drop with StarryHub and laptop. Share your screen wirelessly. Apply StarryHub as speaker, camera, and microphone. StarryHub is a compact device that only occupies less space than an A4 paper on your meeting table. At the front, you'll find a circular projector lens that can display high-brightness visuals up to 150 inches. With 2,400 ANSI lumens, no restrictions on light sources. StarryHub AI video camera can capture every detail of your meeting. With its ultra-clear AI camera and a 120-degree super wide-angle lens, camera track participants who is speaking or moving. With a master level 6 microphone array on top, StarryHub guarantees 360-degree sound pickup, ensuring everyone's voice is heard like face-to-face talking. 10 watts professional speaker supports noise cancellation. It can deliver each word from the opposite direction for mid-frequency human voice tuning. StarryHub comes equipped with one local area network port, one HDMI port, 2 USB ports, and one direct current port. But if you want to connect your devices without any cables, StarryHub also supports wireless connection. CZUR StarryHub offers a range of features to enhance your video meetings. No matter you are in local or remote video meetings, StarryHub will bring you an amazing experience. Well, that's what the video is all about. Follow CZUR channel, you will know more about StarryHub and other fabulous office products.